How to archive messages on Facebook Messenger. The first thing you have to do is go ahead and open up your Messenger app. And once you launch the application, make sure that you are logged in. Now, all you have to do is select the chat that you want to archive. So let's just say if I open up this chat right here. Once you open up the chat, you can tap on the profile icon up top. And as you can see here, you don't have an option to archive from here. So what you're going to do is go ahead and tap on the uh, inbox option again, go back and long press on the chat. And here you'll see an option to archive. Just tap on it. And now the chat has been hidden from your main inbox and moved to archive. Now, in order to find your archives, you just have to go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the bottom right. Now here you will see the archives. Just tap on it. And if you want to move them back to your main inbox, tap on the three lines at the top right and then select chats. Now select the chats that you want to move to inbox. Go ahead and tap on this. It will be marked as unread, and if you want to unarchive them, you could go to unarchive by long pressing on them. And they have been moved to your inbox again. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.